Hi, welcome back to our four-part series on the roles required for success in your digital projects. My name is Roy Chomko and I'm the president of Adage Technologies. In this segment, we're going to talk about the CDO role, or the Chief Digital Officer, where we bring it all together with digital. In part one, we talked about the CMO or marketing role and their importance in a digital project. They are there to ensure that businesses' overall branding and marketing strategy are adhered to as part of the digital project. In part two, we talked about the CIO role and the role of IT as being critical to the project. Again, they know the company's systems and where the data is buried. In part three, we talked about the CTO and how they are the chief engineer or product manager for the company and are necessary for the project's success. I want to emphasize one more time that when I'm talking about these roles, these are simply ways of describing the function a person is acting on for a project. The smaller the organization, the more we see the four roles being held by one or two people. Conversely, in the larger organization, you may see more than one person performing parts of the role. The main point of this is to emphasize that these skill sets are necessary to include in your digital projects. If not, a critical piece is being missed. The CDO role, or the Chief Digital Officer, is the last role I want to talk about. The CDO is the one that helps bring it all together. Over the course of their career, the CDO has likely had their hands in lots of areas of the business, but typically marketing, IT, and product development. They understand marketing and its importance, but also have an underlying understanding of the technology, IT, and company data. Finally, they have a solid understanding of the organization's strategy and products. They are often a digital native or have spent much of their career in the realm of web, e-commerce, marketing automation, analytics, digital advertisements, or other digital disciplines. Many times they could have been in IT as a developer or even a business analyst, or perhaps project management. In the early days of the website was part of the domain of IT and more recently marketing. Both groups have a stake, so a CDO is often straddled the fence between IT and marketing successfully. A good CDO has likely been involved in a major web effort or two. A good CDO understands where the business wants to go strategically, and they are either part of the leadership team or pretty close to it. A good CDO wants to engage, enable, and entangle customers through digital outreach, online transactions, and a useful company portal. Caution: some CDOs may represent themselves as being a digital hotshot. The role does not require a hotshot. What it needs is someone who is humble, understanding, a driver, and a facilitator to bring the necessary departments to the table to keep the project going. A CDO is smart, efficient, and is a conduit to a successful project. In summary, the CDO role is a central figure for your next digital project. They come in many shapes and sizes, but they should understand the company strategy, understand marketing, and have a technical acumen so they can help steer the project to a successful completion. At Adage, we're here to help. So let us know if we can assist you in making your next digital project a success. We take our role seriously, and that is to enable your success by applying technology in the right ways. Simply put, technology advancing purpose.
For more information about the ABCs of digital transformation, click the link below to download our workbook to help you get started, and of course, contact us to talk more.